I gave it all. Pero yung mga line niya.
You know what, Gary? You just gave it all.
Yeah, you have to because in love.
Kaninong Bob binigay ang Excel mo?
Exploit
Ano
Gary.
yun, diba?
Kay Gary.
Exploit Gary.
Kay Gary pala.
Not me. Exploit Gary.
Split Gary daw.
Babalos!
Kamang babalos.
Everybody, let's go.
Let's go! Gary!
Exploit Gary. Babalos.
Si Lady yung babalos.
Kaya, there's so
Siriali na
many
lang.
babalos in the world.
Di ba pamilya sila nila Lawrence, si Rialin?
Sabi ni Pipo, okay daw delay.
Hey, wait. This is the Babalos family.
Babalos.
Or,
Ano ba nangyari kay Engineer? Nasaan na ba siya?
don't interpret the other message.
No! Iba totoo naman yun, bebe. You have to give it all.
But before you give it,
Pero not physically all, ha? I'm talking about emotional feeling.
Gary, di mo tinulungan. Nakita ko ha. Gary, di mo
Oh my God!
Gary, di mo
Baby, what
tinulungan.
happened?
Gary, di mo tinulungan. Nakita ko naman.
Anong tulong gusto mo? Yung likod niya, yung sinusuportahan.
Nakita ko naman.
God, look at yourself!
Look at yourself.
Look at me now!
I'm so pretty.
Yeah. Even though your zipper is open.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that's peachy peach.
Yung pichi-pichi mo nakikita.
Ah,
Yung pichi.
Tumayo ka na
Okay,
dyan.
dahan-dahan. 1, 2, 3, go.
bitchy snob.
Yung pichi-pichi mo nakikita, bebe.
Bilag is all over my neck. Favorite ko pa rin yung line mo na yun.
Hoy, bebe. Yung pichi-pichi mo nakikita. Walang extra cheese.
Now!
Ay!
Bebe, makit ka na. Baka tumama ka pa dito.
The bitchy is
Yung pichi-
so cheesy, it cannot get up.
yung pichi-pichi mo walang extra cheese.
No!
May extra cheese daw.
Wala.
Ay, tumayo ka na dyan, be.
Di ba tumayo ka na mapagod